Hello, my name is Chris, and I'm about to demonstrate the beep test. So what we're going to do is have two markers about 20 meters apart. And you got one marker right here, which is going to be our starting position. And then you have the two shoes down there, which is the other side, 20 meters apart. And then you're going to have your athletes or yourself placed on the starting position. And then you're going to have a beep test audio there. The moment you hear the first beep, that's when you start jogging to the other side before the second beep happens. And the goal is to keep your pace. So basically just jog. You don't want to go too fast or too slow. You want to keep your pace, and that's the goal. And it's supposed to measure your aerobic capacity. So, are you ready to demonstrate it? I'm going to go ahead and do about 3 test runs just to get an idea.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready. Start level 1.
Sitting sleeps, but I'm awake.
Level 1, 2.
Said I do, I guess you don't. You're never ready.
Level 1, 3.
Dancing tipsy in the street. We were living like a movie scene.
Level 1, 4.
So that's basically a gist of the beep test. So it gets faster every minute. There's about 21 levels. It gets faster every minute. I think it's like 5 kilometers per hour. So yeah, that's the beep test.